Modern Indian homes are quickly adopting automatic main gate systems. Sliding and swing automation adds comfort and safety to daily life. Remote control, sensor access, and smart locking systems are now common. These features are especially useful during rain, night, or busy schedules. Automation also increases the premium feel of the home entrance. Proper motor selection and wiring are extremely important. Sanjesh Construction ensures automation is installed safely and professionally. Indian residential plots vary in size and layout. Modern gate designs are planned according to road width and parking needs. Sliding gates work best for narrow front setbacks. Swing gates are ideal for wider entrances. Correct space planning avoids future inconvenience. A poorly planned gate can block vehicles or footpaths. With expert planning from Sanjesh Construction, space is always optimized. Indian weather conditions demand strong and durable gate materials. Heat, rain, dust, and humidity affect gate lifespan. Powder-coated steel protects against rust and fading. High-quality wood finish panels resist cracking and warping. Drainage gaps and proper fixing improve durability. Climate-based material selection is very important. Sanjesh Construction designs gates suitable for Indian weather conditions. Modern gate designs are available in multiple budget ranges. Simple metal gates are cost-effective and stylish. Metal and wood combination gates offer mid-range luxury. Laser-cut and automated gates fall under premium category. Smart budgeting ensures value for money. Cost should never compromise safety and quality. Sanjesh Construction provides transparent pricing with quality assurance. Many homeowners choose design without considering maintenance. Ignoring compound wall matching reduces overall appeal. Low-quality paint leads to rust and early damage. Incorrect gate size affects vehicle movement. Poor installation causes alignment issues over time. Avoiding these mistakes saves money and stress. Professional guidance from Sanjesh Construction prevents such errors. A well-designed modern gate increases property value. First impressions matter for visitors and buyers. Premium gate designs enhance the overall exterior look. Modern entrances reflect lifestyle and attention to detail. Homes with good gate designs stand out instantly. This small investment offers long-term returns. Sanjesh Construction focuses on designs that add real property value. Modern gates allow creative personalization. House name cutouts add uniqueness. Geometric or abstract patterns give modern identity. Vertical slats offer privacy with elegance. Custom lighting highlights textures beautifully. Each customization reflects homeowner personality. Sanjesh Construction transforms ideas into reality with precision. Traditional gates focus on heavy ornamentation. Modern gates emphasize simplicity and structure. Maintenance is easier in modern designs. They suit contemporary Indian lifestyles. Modern gates blend well with new age architecture. Choosing the right style defines your home image. Sanjesh Construction helps homeowners make the right choice. Clean metal surfaces regularly to avoid dust buildup. Check hinges and locks periodically. Avoid harsh chemicals on wood finish panels. Lubricate moving parts for smooth operation. Annual inspection increases lifespan. Good maintenance keeps gates looking new. Sanjesh Construction always guides homeowners on proper care. Gate height affects both privacy and security. Too short reduces safety. Too tall can look bulky. Balanced proportions enhance elegance. Modern designs focus on visual harmony. Proper measurement is critical during fabrication. Sanjesh Construction ensures perfect proportions for every home. A modern Indian home main gate is more than just an entrance. It reflects lifestyle, safety, and architectural taste. Design, material, finish, and execution must work together. Professional planning makes all the difference. If you want a modern, durable, and stylish gate for your home, Sanjesh Construction is the name you can trust. Modern gate designs are not only for large villas. Small Indian houses can also achieve a stylish entrance. Minimal metal frames create a spacious visual effect. Horizontal slats make the frontage look wider. Light colors and open patterns avoid a bulky appearance. Space-efficient designs improve movement and comfort. Sanjesh Construction creates modern gates perfectly suited for compact homes. A modern main gate acts as a signature element of the house. It sets the tone for the entire exterior design. Clean lines convey sophistication and confidence. Material contrast adds depth and character. A well-designed gate makes the home instantly recognizable. This statement design reflects thoughtful planning. Sanjesh Construction delivers entrance designs that truly stand out. Every beautiful home begins with a strong and stylish entrance. Modern Indian main gate designs combine function with elegance. Right planning ensures long-lasting performance and visual appeal. Professional execution transforms design into reality. For homeowners who value quality, durability, and modern aesthetics, Sanjesh Construction continues to build trust through excellence. Urban Indian homes are rapidly shifting toward minimal and modern gate designs. Simple geometry and dark finishes dominate current trends. These designs blend perfectly with contemporary elevations. For trend-focused execution and reliable quality, Sanjesh Construction stays ahead in modern gate solutions. Homeowners looking for updated designs often rely on Sanjesh Construction for expert guidance. Rental and investment homes benefit greatly from modern gate designs. Low maintenance and durable materials reduce long-term costs. Clean designs appeal to a wider range of tenants and buyers. Sanjesh Construction understands value-driven construction needs. That is why many investors prefer Sanjesh Construction for practical gate designs. Even the best gate design needs correct installation. Proper alignment ensures smooth operation and long life. Professional fixing avoids sagging and noise issues. Sanjesh Construction focuses on precision during installation. With Sanjesh Construction, quality is visible in every finishing detail. Modern gates are designed to support future upgrades. Automation, sensors, and smart locks can be added easily. This flexibility makes modern gates a smart long-term choice. Sanjesh Construction plans every gate with future needs in mind. That forward-thinking approach makes Sanjesh Construction a trusted name. A modern main gate completes the identity of your home. It represents safety, style, and thoughtful design. Choosing the right team ensures lasting satisfaction. For quality-driven modern construction, Sanjesh Construction stands committed. Building trust and modern homes, Sanjesh Construction continues to. Modern gates are designed for low maintenance. Powder-coated metal resists rust and weather damage. Wood finish panels require minimal periodic care. Quality hinges and fittings ensure smooth operation. A well-installed gate can last for decades. Professional installation reduces future repair costs. Choosing Sanjesh Construction means investing in long-term durability. Every home is unique, and the gate should reflect that. Modern gates allow full customization in size and pattern. Name cutouts, logos, and house numbers add identity. Finish and texture can be matched to home elevation. Automation options can be added later as well. Customization requires accurate planning and execution. Sanjesh Construction provides tailor-made solutions for every home. Modern lifestyle demands smart and stylish home entrances. Indian homeowners now prefer clean and minimal designs. Modern gates increase property value and visual appeal. They suit both urban and semi-urban environments. Technology and design have made modern gates more affordable. The right builder makes all the difference in final results. That is why many homeowners rely on Sanjesh Construction. Your main gate defines your home's character. Modern Indian gate designs combine strength, style, and simplicity. Material choice, finish, and detailing create a lasting impression. Professional execution ensures beauty and durability. If you want a modern gate that truly stands out, expert guidance is essential. For trusted construction quality and modern design excellence, choose Sanjesh Construction.